Hi there, Ricky. This is just a film for you. I know the rest of the year rates are working, but as you're slightly ahead of everyone, I just want to give you some tasks to do today. I'm going to show you how to put onto a blog page to your website. Okay, so at the moment, Wiki's World, weebly.com, you're going to go in and you're going to put edit the site. That'll take us to our first page, which we've been working on. Taking a little bit of time to load up, quite slow today, and also my computer's doing some updates, so it may pop up with all sorts of things. So first things first, looking at your website, it's slightly incomplete. We want to put another picture into the space I'm highlighting there. Okay, and you can do that by simply editing the image. You can move around your picture of Spain, or you can add an image from up here and follow from like we showed you last time. Upload a picture to the computer, maybe take something from Google, save it into Google Pictures. Remember where you saved it so that you can find it when you upload from your computer. Okay, and of course then you've got to go searching for your work. Alright, I think you can remember how to reposition your work like so. Alright, so that's first things first. Do that very quickly if you can, so that it looks a bit better to start with, so we don't have any white spaces there. We haven't put any text in here yet. We will do. I'm just going to clean this up for you down here, get rid of that. Don't need that hanging around, but we've got some cool things in there already. You speaking and the Voki, but of course this is missing some writing, and we'll get onto that with time as well. Okay, but I want to show you how to add some pages to your website, and there'll be a point in the lesson where I'm going to talk about page designs. It's probably worthy of you listening then, but if you click on pages, you can see you have an option to add pages, and we're actually just going to add a blog page. I'm going to delete all this in a minute, so you have to still do this yourself, but a blog page of course is where you will be able to keep a running update on what is going on. Okay, you can change different designs to the page. Okay, and I'll show you some more features with time, how you can actually move around the pages so that they appear on your website in a certain order, an order that you prefer. And equally I can attach websites to other pages. But for today we've got our blog page. Press save and edit. Okay, and already you can see you have two pages. And the new page, the blog page, still has the old image that we replaced. So if you want to change this image immediately, the banner image, and put something new and novel onto your blog page, you're welcome to do that. Your task for today, whilst the others are catching up with you, is to add a new post and improve this page. First things first, click over here, very briefly, write something about yourself. Be friendly. All right. Ridiculous. Okay, you don't need archives in there or categories. We can leave them and change them with time, but I think you'll understand what that is. As you make more work, it will show you what you've updated. But here's what I want you to do, is new post. And you're going to write about our classic. And then you use the tiles over here to create your blog post. So if you're going to do some writing, use a text. Okay, and in there you can say I think I spelled Athletic Madrid wrong. Look, you go into Marker and find out all the football news be a bit descriptive.
So do you have an A3 paper?
One sec. Sorry about it, Ricky, I was interrupted. So yeah, you want me to write a report on what's happened this week in Spanish football. You know, we've had the Champions League. What happened to Malaga when they played away? You know, you just write about football as much as you can. Maybe a couple of paragraphs or one paragraph. Practicing your descriptive language, your past tense, whatever you can do. Okay. If you want to add a picture, it's just the same as always. Come along, let's add an image. And you go clicking on that and go and find the image you want from this week. Of course, there should be loads of football images. When you have finished that post, go publish. And now it's going to ask you whether or not you want your website to be published onto the internet. So go continue. And up goes your wikisworld.weebly.com is then on the internet. Okay? So that's what I want you to do. I'm just going to delete all your work now. Good luck. I think you're more than capable of doing it. And of course, throughout the lesson, I'll stop you and keep you up to date with what everyone else is doing. All right, mate?